G'day ladies and gentle tubers. I'm making a really big Begleri because I'm rubbish at using the small ones. I do however like tying knots, and I picked up this length of 2-inch mooring line a while back from a friend and thought I'd put it to good use. I'm guessing most of you watching will have a pretty good idea of how to tie a monkey's fist, and there are plenty of really good videos out there showing you how to do it. I'm kind of tying the knot backwards, simply due to the fact that this is big heavy rope and I find it easier this way. I have two number 5 soccer balls that I'm using for the core, and you've probably noticed the black electrical tape wrapped around sections of the rope. This allows me to know the halfway point of the rope, and I've estimated I'll need about 30 feet of rope to wrap these balls with a 4-strand monkey's fist. I've chosen to tie a 4-strand fist as this gives perfect coverage for the ball. The amount of strands is governed by the diameter of the ball. You simply want enough strands to equal the diameter of the ball once they're side by side. Now I'm absolutely rubbish at using a hand Begleri, so I have no idea how much rope to put between these two balls. I'm just going to aim for about 5 feet and see how that turns out. I've had a quick look around YouTube to see if I can see anyone else making these and what they do with them. However, I haven't had much luck, so if anyone's seen something, please post it in the comments below. I guess there's only one bit of advice I can give if you're trying to tie a large monkey fist like this, is don't over tighten it. As you tighten further back to the beginning of the monkey fist, it gets really hard to pull through and you have to have hands of steel. Lastly, I use a bit of electrical tape to cinch off the rope before cutting it. This makes the cut far easier and less fraying. This is a nylon rope, so I simply use my map gas torch to seal off the end of the rope. And then it's all done, and I can flail around like a pelican, because I have no idea of what to do with these things apart from maybe use them as a footstool in the lounge room. Thanks for watching, and click on the subscribe if you want to see any more content like this from Build Grow Play.